I'm going to start the video, and this is your second page of notes. It's going to go into the solving. I'm going to write labels are important. If you keep your labels in the correct place, it will help you. So in this example, Serena is making trail mix for her scout troop. If each scout gets 1.5 cups, so one scout gets 1.5 cups. How much trail mix is for 19 scouts? Well, I don't know scouts. I do know scouts. Sorry. I do know scouts. I do not know the cups. X cups. One of the ways to solve it is, how do I get, by multiplying, not adding, subtracting, or dividing, from 1 to 19, is I multiply by 19. Therefore, I'm going to have to multiply that times 19. So it is 19 times 1.5, 45. 9 times 1 is 9. 135, placeholder 0, 5, 1. 5, 8, 2. But I have moving one decimal in here. I have to move one place in here. So it's 28.5 cups. And on these, I'm going to show you a couple of ways how to solve them. Here we go, solving practice. I'm going to cross multiply. Wherever my letter is, I'm going to cross multiply. So 30 times G is 30G. Then I'm going to cross multiply. Equals 5 times 54. And I'm going to come over here and do 54 times 5. And I'm going to do 0 to 270. 270, 30G, divide by 30, divide by 30. Anytime both numbers end in 0, I can divide them by 10. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9. Next one. I'm going to do it a different way. If I go from 32 to 16 by multiplying or dividing, it could be divided by 2. If I divide that by 2, I get 1. So W equals 1. That is also an okay way to do it. Okay? I'm also going to do it the original way that I did it, where I'm going to cross multiply. 32 times W equals 16 times 2. And 16 times 2 is 32, so 32W equals 32. Divide by 32, divide by 32, W equals 1. I got the same answer. So that is another way to do it. I can see a relationship on this one, and I can go from here to here is divide by 12. Then I can divide by 12 here, and 36 divided by 12 is 3. I can cross multiply. 60 times T equals 36 times 5. 36 times 5 is 0.3, 180. 60t equals 180 divided by 60 divided by 60. T equals, again, any numbers both ending in 0, I can divide by 0. 18 or divide by 10. 18 divided by 6 is 3. I still get the same answer. Either way. If you know that 12 times 4 is 48, then you're going to multiply 15 times 4, and 15 times 4 is 60. A equals 60. A equals 60. I can do it the other way and do 12A equals 48 times 15. And then I would have to come over here and do 48 times 15, 0, 4, 24, placeholder 0, 8, 4, 0, 12, 720. 12A equals 720. Divide by 12, divide by 12. A equals 6. So if you can recognize that 12 is there are 12s in 48, and know that I multiplied by 4, then you can multiply the 15 by 4 and automatically get the 60. Next, identify if they are a proportion. I am going to multiply, and I'm going to say 9 times 1 is 9. I'm going to multiply. I'm going to say 3 times 3 is 9. If the numbers are the same, then they are proportional. Is this proportional? I do not want to divide by. Oh, I don't want to multiply this. Oh, can I simplify it? Let me see if I can simplify it. Ooh, there's 3's in here. I can divide by 3. I can divide by 3. That becomes 4/5 equals 24 35ths. Ooh, I can go here to here times 7. Here to here, I must multiply by 7. 4 times 7 is not 24. It would be 28. So these are not proportional. That is another way to do it. If not, you are multiplying this times this and this times this. You're gonna have to know something and a skill to figure out proportional, not proportional. I can do this, and I can do 20 times 10 is 200. 40 times 5, 0, 200. This is 200. These were easier to multiply, so that's proportional. Let me do it a different way. Let me do it. What I see is I can scratch out these. So I have 1/4 because I divided them both by 10. I go from here to here times 5. I go from here to here times 5. Those are both true statements. It's proportional. I can do this. Times 2 times 2. That's proportional. So there were 3 ways I decided that that was proportional. Equivalent fractions are proportional. Okay? Now, times 2 times 2, 1 times 2 is not 3, so that would be not proportional. The other way I could do it is 6 times 3 is 18, 12 times 1 is 12. They are not proportional.